it's a responsibility that you have to go to do as a citizen, as a person in the community, and as a professional teacher. Have many things to do, have a lot of responsibility, and you have to think a lot, and you have to always exercise your brain not to forget things. I have actually a very short memory. I actually I'm not that really quiet. I can easily remember things, even in small details. If it's really important, if it's really significant, or if it's really something that you have to remember. So now I'm alone at the office. They're all outside for lunch. I think some of the teachers are downstairs. So I'm alone in the office. Our admin is out. Just out for the city. So you have to use your SunMart to sign the city law, and you have to. Sometimes it's easily for me to forget stuff because I have a lot of things in my mind.